The rise of the factory, changing the world of work. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating aspects of the English language and its expressions. Today, we're exploring a significant phrase in history and economics: the rise of the factory. This expression isn't just about buildings where goods are manufactured. It symbolizes a pivotal change in society, work, and the economy. So, stay tuned as we uncover the layers behind this impactful phrase. The phrase, "the rise of the factory," refers to the period during the Industrial Revolution, starting in the late 18th century, where there was a significant shift from manual labor and artisanal workshops to mechanized manufacturing in centralized locations, factories. This transformation marked the beginning of industrial society, drastically changing the landscape of work and production methods. Several factors contributed to the rise of factories. Technological advancements. Inventions like the steam engine and the power loom made it possible to mechanize production, making it faster and cheaper than traditional methods. Urbanization. As people moved to cities in search of work, factories found a ready supply of labor. Economic factors. The demand for goods increased, and factories could produce items on a larger scale than ever before, meeting these demands efficiently. Transportation improvements. With better roads, canals, and railways, factories could easily obtain raw materials and distribute their products. The rise of the factory had profound impacts on society. Work environment. Work moved from homes and small workshops to large buildings where workers operated machines under strict schedules. Social changes. The factory system led to the growth of the working class and the urban population, changing the social structure. Economic growth. Mass production in factories significantly boosted economies, leading to increased wealth but also to stark inequalities. Environmental effects. The increase in production and use of fossil fuels contributed to environmental changes and pollution. Today, the rise of the factory can also reflect discussions about automation, the digital revolution, and shifts in global manufacturing trends. It symbolizes not just a historical shift but ongoing changes in how and where we work, emphasizing the continuous evolution of industry and society. Thank you for watching our exploration of the rise of the factory. This phrase encapsulates a crucial turning point in human history, affecting nearly every aspect of life from work to social dynamics. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into the profound changes brought about by the advent of factories. Remember, the story of the factory is not just about machines and buildings. It's about the people and societies that were transformed along the way. See you in our next video, where we'll uncover more fascinating aspects of the English language and its expressions. Goodbye for now.